Hello guys, I am Saqib and you are watching sqbtech.com YouTube channel. Without wasting your quality time, now let's start tech headlines with sqbtech. Google is rolling back a carrier service update to fix SMS issues on some phones. Samsung Galaxy S21 series India launch timeline tip. Exclusive blind pre-orders reportedly open. Samsung SmartThings will now support Google Nest integration. Fire TV gets its biggest update ever with an emphasis on content discovery and personalization. Uninstalling Google Carrier Services app fixes recent SMS sending and receiving issues. Now, Honor smartphone will be based on Qualcomm Snapdragon SoCs. Stadia players get to enjoy Cyberpunk 2077 hours before console gamers in 2-day big launch. Lenovo K12 and K12 Pro budget phones launched. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S6 keyboard cover is just $72 right now. Apple may even deprive iPhone 13 buyers of the cable. Google wants to crowdsource data for medical research with its new health studies app. Samsung Galaxy M12 aka Galaxy F12 gets BIS certification. India launch expected soon. Xiaomi Mi 11 will have a better screen than the iPhone 12 Pro. Credit card details of 70 lakh Indians leak on the dark web. Realme Link app finally available for iPhone and iPad users. Snapdragon 888 SoC to attack the Chinese 5G market. Google certifies 5 more Android phones for AR Core support. TSMC 7nm chip is a major supporting force for 5G products. Xiaomi Mi 101 will be the global version of the 108 megapixel Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. Nokia is announcing a new Android Go smartphone on December 15. Google releases the 2020 global hot search list. Coronavirus tops the list, and second one is US election results. Xiaomi Mi 10 gets Android 11 stable update in India. Google Pixel 5 Pro real image with an under-display camera. New Redmi Note 9 True reaches 1 million units sold in less than 2 weeks. GTA 5 Winter Update 2020 will added new locations, new weapons, new music and much more. GTA Online will receive the update on December 15. Facebook sued by the US FTC might be forced to sell Instagram and WhatsApp. If you want daily tech news, please hit the subscribe button and press bell icon for the latest update. Until the next video, take care of yourself and goodbye.